Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Tutorial Tuber channel. In the third video of our lecture, we are going to discuss about the drawing utilities and the print command. When you will click on this drop down, you will see print, drawing utilities and the close command. First of all, we will see what is print command. You can also activate it by clicking Ctrl P or pressing Ctrl P, and you can also click from here. As you can see, first is a plot, means if you have made a, you can say, house plan or a plot plan, you can simply print the drawing from here. After that is the batch plot. For example, if you have made more than one plots or drawings, you can simply print them one by one in a, you can say, single click. After that is the plot preview. When you will click upon it, it will first display you that what type of plot, or you can say what type of drawing is going to be printed. After that is the view plot and the publish details. You can print from here, and also you can publish it onto the AutoCAD official website. After that is the page setup. If you want to set the page to be printed according to your desired requirements, you can do it so. After that is the 3D print. If you want to upload your model, or you can say change your model, or you have connected a 3D print machine with your PC or laptop, you can simply click here and the model will be, you can say, forwarded to the 3D print machine for 3D printing, same as the casual printing or normal printing. After that is the manage plotters. This is also you can say a step in the printing, in which you can manage according to the, you can say, the, you can give a little bit information about the your design. After that is the manage plot style. You can change plot style from here, and you can also edit the plot style first, and after that it will be printed. Next one is the drawing utilities. When you will simply drag your mouse or cursor to the drawing utilities, you will see there are several options. First of all, as you can see, this is setup drawing. Setup drawing means if you want to import a file from any other you can say software, you can simply import it. After that is the drawing properties. You can set the properties of the drawing. We will click upon it, and as you can see, it is showing you properties of the drawing. It will show the name, or you modify date, etc. And after that is the unit and DWG compare. In this you can compare your two drawings with each other. After that is the units. Units means if you want to set the unit, it is commonly used when you want to give the dimension. The dimension will look a little bit smaller, so if you want to, you can say, give it units. As you can see, the precision is 4 zeros after point or after decimal. You can also change it from here to any your desired quantity, and you can also change type from here. You want to take length in architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific, you can do it so. You can also change precision from here, and you can also change this from here. As you can see, it has automatically choose inches. You can also change here millimeter, centimeter, or meters or feet, and you can also change the units. The auto unit is international. You can also change it to American, and after that you have to click OK. After that we are going to see, this is the audit. Audit is a tool which choose the which you can check the integrity of the page. Integrity means if there are any errors, or there are any false or wrong lines which will not be 3D printed after the, you can say, completion of the project. So it will check it a little bit. After that is the status. It will show the status about the drawing, that how much it is completed, and how much you can say a little bit information about the drawing. After that is the purge is used to remove unused items. For example, there are extra items in your drawing, you can simply remove them from here. After that is the recover means if you have a file which is damaged and you can say a little bit corrupted, you can recover it from here. After that, the step is the open drawing recovery manager. It is a manager in which the files which you have recovered will be shown. After that is the BOM migration. BOM migration is used when for example you want to import a drawing from any other software which is not AutoCAD or any lower version of the AutoCAD. You can simply do it from here. After that, you can see close. If you want to close only a single drawing, for example, you can click plus from here and multiple drawings will be opened. And if you want to, for example, close only one drawing or the drawing which you are working upon, you can click only current drawing. As you can see, one drawing in which you are working is closed. But if you will click on the all drawings, then all the drawings will be closed. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.